Uncover the magic of the Galaxy Z Flip 5 with its compact, foldable design and full cover screen. Experience the best selfies and one-hand control that redefine smartphone use. Subscribe for more reviews and tech tips. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 is a testament to the evolution of smartphones, offering a compact solution without compromising on functionality. This factory-unlocked Android smartphone comes with a generous 512 GB of storage, wrapped in a sleek, foldable design that fits comfortably in your pocket. The Z Flip 5's design is a blend of nostalgia and modernity. Its foldable nature not only makes it a conversation piece, but also an incredibly practical device for those who value portability. The folding mechanism is robust, and the phone unfolds to reveal a vibrant, full-length screen. The icy blue color adds a touch of elegance, making it a stylish accessory for any user. The main attraction is the 6.7-inch screen that offers crisp visuals and vibrant colors. The full cover screen on the front allows for quick interactions, such as checking notifications and controlling music playback, without the need to unfold the device. The one-hand control feature is particularly useful, providing convenience and efficiency. For selfie enthusiasts, the Z Flip 5 does not disappoint. The camera system is optimized for high-quality self-portraits, with a focus on color accuracy and detail. The unique form factor allows for hands-free video calls and selfies, adding a new dimension to your photography experience. Powered by the latest processor, the Z Flip 5 handles multitasking and demanding applications with ease. The battery life is impressive, considering the phone's size, easily lasting through a day of moderate use. Fast charging capabilities mean you won't be tethered to an outlet for long. Running on the latest Android version, the Z Flip 5 offers a seamless software experience. Samsung's One UI interface is intuitive and makes good use of the foldable screen, with features like Flex Mode that add functionality when the phone is partially folded. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 is a bold step into the future of smartphones. It combines the nostalgia of flip phones with the advanced features of modern smartphones. While the price point may be a barrier for some, the Z Flip 5 is an excellent choice for those looking for a compact, capable device that stands out from the crowd.